What is up, you guys? I am up at my in-laws' property. They're putting in a bass slash swimming slash good time pond. We're up on the property and just finishing the excavating. We're draining the hole we dug last year and making a few corrections to it. But yeah, this is going to be the family's little fishing pond. I'm excited to get it fishing slash swimming, but yeah, I'm excited to get it going and set it up so that someday my son can bring his kids here. But yeah, there's a cool little waterfall and really nice little meadow, and they set it up so we can do a little camping, and we have a little this is super cool, you guys. I know we haven't posted in a while, but yeah, super cool little loft up here and all the stuff for outside on this patio out here. Picnic tables and all that. We're in North Idaho, so this is our first 75-degree day. Super nice out. But yeah, it's a pretty good sized little guy. It's a lot bigger in person than it shows on here. But yeah, super beautiful area. One of my favorite things is up on the hill. My mother-in-law is putting a big weeping willow up there. But yeah, super gorgeous. Very blessed to live up here and be able to do this stuff. I know it's not our normal content. Normally we're doing car stuff, but we also enjoy fishing as well. But yeah, over here he's digging a little area for like a lily pads and that sort of thing. We have a little plateau there for pollywogs and fish spawning and that sort of thing. But yep, we're gonna dump a liner in here. We're gonna clean it up and then dump a liner in here, and should be good times. Silas, you excited? Are you more excited for fishing, or are you more excited for swimming? Swimming? Are you excited your little raft Grandma got you? He was off picking flowers for his sister and his mom. We're real hard here on Bark Life. But yeah. So, swimming. Not fishing, catching fish? No? Okay. He will. He's spoiled. We get to go fishing in a boat and he catches pike, don't you? No? No talking? You don't want to catch pike?
No, I don't want.
Oh, you've done it though, haven't you? When we go to Montana, right?
Only a couple.
Only a couple, but you know how many most people have caught? 0. I was like 30 years old when I caught my first pike. You were very fortunate. You were like 5. Oh, he's got to fly. All right. So anyways, guys, let me know if you guys want to see more of the pond content. We'll be doing a lot more with this, and this is kind of where my focus has been shifted. We're just daily driving the MR2 and the SC300. I just got done doing rear brakes and the wheel bearing that I've been discussing forever. And I just started a new job. So, yeah, unfortunately I have to go to work. I'm not like most YouTubers. I have to go to work. So, there it is, guys. Let me know if you guys want to see anything more with the pond.